Today, I'll show you how to pin chats in Claude AI so you can quickly access your most important conversations without scrolling through a long history every time you log in. When you use Claude regularly, your sidebar can fill up fast with lots of recent conversations. Some of those chats might be especially important, like ongoing projects, brainstorming sessions, or reference threads you come back to often. Instead of relying on search or hunting through a long list, you can pin or star those chats so they always stay at the top of your sidebar. And that's exactly what we'll walk through in this tutorial. First, look over to the left side of your screen where you'll see your list of recent conversations. This is your sidebar and it shows your chats in chronological order with the most recent ones near the top. Take a moment to find the specific chat you want to keep handy. It might be a recent one, or you might need to scroll a little to find it. Once you've located the chat you want to pin, move your mouse over the name of that conversation. Don't click yet, just hover your cursor on top of the chat title. When you do this on desktop, you should see a small three-dot menu icon appear next to the chat name. It usually looks like three vertical dots. This icon is where Claude keeps extra options for managing that conversation. Go ahead and click on that three-dot menu. A small menu will open with a few different choices related to that specific chat. One of those options will be called star. This star option is what you'll use to effectively pin the chat. Click on star. As soon as you select it, Claude will mark that conversation as a favorite. You don't need to confirm anything or reload the page. The change happens right away. The chat will immediately move from wherever it was in your chronological list into a new section at the very top of the sidebar. Look back at the left side of your screen. At the top of your sidebar, you should now see a section labeled Starred. Inside that section, you'll find the conversation you just starred. This is your new pinned area, which keeps your most important chats separated from the rest of your history. Anytime you star another chat using the same process, it will also appear in this starred section. From now on, when you open Claude, you can go straight to the starred section at the top of the sidebar to access your key conversations. This is especially useful if you're working on long-term projects or you have a few chats that you reference regularly for notes, instructions, or templates. If you ever change your mind, you can manage your starred chats using the same three-dot menu. Just hover over the pinned chat, click the three dots again, and look for an option to remove the star. Once unstarred, the conversation will drop back into the regular chronological history. That's all there is to it. By using the star feature and the starred section at the top of your sidebar, you keep Claude AI organized and make sure your most useful chats are always just a single click away.